Hi guys, welcome to Momo Beginner Sewing. Today we are making one air baby Sunhat tutorial, so let's start.
You're watching Momo Beginner Sewing. For further tutorials, please subscribe to us and also ring this bell for further notification in your mailbox.
Taking the measurements of this paper. This is my square paper which has 9 inch width and 9 inch in height after folding it in a 4-way. All the sides are going to be a 9 inch. Now we are going to mark in a radius of 9 inch, similar to the technique which I am using over here. Now we cut this thing. You can see this is a circle. This become the circle. When I open it, it become the circular ball kind of thing. It is good for one air baby. Now we are going to map this on our fabric. You can see I have laid down the fabric in a triangular shape. Make sure that your fabric is more than 9 inch. After making cone, as you can see, I wrapped the paper again and it becomes the cone kind of shape, the pie, the pizza pie or the pie. Now I'm going to mark it on the fabric with my chalk and then I'm going to cut it. You can see I'm marking one more arc or one more pie. It is 1.5 inch in radius from the top. From the bottom, our last line. From the last line it should be 1.5, and I make the pie inside another pie. It is going to be useful later on. Now cut the big one pie. Don't cut the small one, cut the big one. Here you go. We are done with our this thing. Now we are going to join the lace on the side, on the hemline of the head. I explain you the whole pattern. It is for 9 inch of each of the square, and I have made the cone and then I map on the fabric and cut it. As you can see, I have drawn this another mark. It is going to have the elastic, the bibbon elastic on it. Let me explain you when I am going to teach you. You can see I've just overlocked my hemline. If you don't have an overlock, you can just fold the hemline, because it is good to have a secure hem. Now I'm going to, if you wanted to make it a smaller one, if you want to make the 9th month's baby, 6 to 9 months baby, you just decrease the line from 8 and then 7, if you as much as you want it for the smaller baby. Now you can see that this is our elastic mark. With the bibbon elastic, there is going to be 2 elastic at the mark and below, just ½ inch below that mark. Now I'm going to attach this lace. You can see I'm attaching my lace. You can see that our hemline lace attachment is done. Now I'm going to attach one more lace. This is kind of 2 layers of lace over here, so our side hem is looking very nice when baby wears a hat. So this is just a quick thing, we need to do it quickly. Now I'm mapping my cutting draft over here, and after cutting this draft I'm going to mark the elastic marks over here. You can see I've just make the great demonstration for you guys, so you don't need to worry at all. I'm just marking this because I need to install the bibbon over here, bibbon elastic. And as already told you, we are going to install 2 layers of bibbon elastic over here. So this is the first one. I make it just prominent, so it is easy for me. Just make it by yourself as well, but don't do the advanced dark versions of marks because it is going to prominent afterwards. This is our bibbon elastic. You can see it's need to be in our bibbon, and it should be like this. It can be found on Amazon.com, in your local area stores, everywhere. Okay, and going to fill it like that. Do it by yourself or just do it by your machine, as similar to thread. There is another way which is you can do that. We have done with the pattern drafting. Now I am explaining you with the easy way. Just map your scale from the top of this from hemline, bottom hemline, and then mark the 1.5 inch above, as similar that I have done. Now I'm going to attach my elastic over here. I have already fit the elastic in my bobbin case, and now what we need, I need to follow my marked lines. That's it. You can see my first bibbon elastic layer is done. Now what we are going to do, we need to install similarly 3 more bibbon elastic. Okay, 3 more layers. So in total we are going to have 3 to 4 layers. It totally depends on you. It is just for the proper fitness on the hair, and neither is going to be so strong and nor it going to be so loose, so it fits in your baby's hat. This is the main idea by installing different layers of elastic over here. So you can see that our layers are done. This is my final version, and it looks very nice. It is a special sun hat which is totally designed by me, a super simple thing. And now I am going to install some little bit of fanciness, a little bit of flowers or some buttons or whatever. And it is for very light cotton fabric, so baby doesn't get hurt or something. You can see this is our final look of our baby sun hat, and it is very beautifully done. It is for 1-year baby. And if you like this tutorial, please like our video and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you so much.
If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to us, like this video, share this video as well. See you soon.